Hey, Ken from MetalMake here, giving you the what's up and the lowdown on our new Beast Bar here. This is not scripted. I'm just going to go through it and explain the features, the constructions, and the use, and the uniqueness of this product. Okay, now this is our 24-inch Beast Bar. It's going to be hard to see to keep it in frame. This is just a little cradle I made for it here. But anyways, the backbone, the beam, this is a 30 millimeter structural engineered aluminum, which is what all our mechanisms slide on here. And we have a 5/8 drive bolt, and this is the drive end, and the drive nut is in this end. And how you operate it here, this stainless steel handle can be operated several ways. You can turn it by hand. It turns just like butter by hand. Or you can stick your 3/8 adapter right in there like that. Or you could use your 3/8 ratchet wrench. Or you can go ahead and put a 3/4 socket on here with your air ratchet. Yes, you can use an air ratchet on this. I've tried to break it. I can't do it. Okay, it's Super Duty, engineered by a real engineer to last a lifetime. Okay, what we have here is beautifully machined upright legs, and in here there's a set of needle roller thrust bearings here, 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 here and here to keep this thing nice and smooth operation. This one here is a carrier bearing. It's got a little bearing in there, and what that does, if you had a long bar, even on the short one, if you ran it all the way out and you went like this one doesn't do it too bad. But that 5/8 round bar can deviate, and some of that deviation can travel into this and give you some dive. What this does is it shortens the distance between the two ends you want to keep in the middle, and that tightens it up. Okay, and this has offsettable legs. If you recall, we was the first in the industry to develop a product that offset the center line of your rod or your beam out of the way of the dent. And now many other companies are doing the same thing with their own mechanical designs and their adaptations of that. But that was a truly unique Metalmatic design years ago. So we incorporated that prior work into this. It's basically the same way you can set it off to either side you want. And when you turn it down like this, these have roller bearings in it too, and you put the pressure on it, that keeps it nice and tight. Okay, so that's our 24-inch. Now, we can move up to the 36-inch. Okay, same basic design, same heavy-duty construction. You got the same barrier carrying in there. And another thing about these, when you buy it, you will get, sorry about that, 2 sets of tabs. Okay, you will get the standard 6x2 Hero flats, and you'll get a 6x2 what we call T-bone tab. Now, how you can use this, I'm going to hold it upside down in this little cradle. Get a little close here so you can see. Okay, flip this up. Okay, it does come with pins here. Okay, and the 6x2 has 3 different holes in it. Okay, so there's the ways you can do it. You can put it, this way, where you're more pulling your tab, and let's get that hole lined up. And so it can go like that. Put it in the middle hole. Pull this pin out here. I'm going to put the pin in from this way. It's a little easier. Okay. And that gives you a little elevation change because not everything's flat. And the same thing here. You can push it forward and put it there. Now the T-bone tabs have this nice little slot here. And the front of this foot adapter here fits right in there perfectly, just like that. You don't need a pin for this. And another thing we added to this foot, I don't know if you're hard to see, but there's some notches right in there, okay? And this will work with any Hero tab, where that will fit right in there like that. we call that a bulldoze. So when you're doing large areas apart, it might be kind of hard to line those little pins up. So you can just put it up there and what we call bulldoze it, okay? So the action on this is very, very smooth. Like I said, you can put your 3/8 adapter drive in there. Put that in there like that. And this thing just will move all the way shut. About right there. Switch for gears. Goes all the way back. All the way to the engine. Okay, so you got quite a throw there. And this thing is heavy duty, okay? And like I said, we go to the 36-inch. Next up would be your 48. Now the 48 is going to have two carrier bearings here. Let me show you what it does. So push these all the way and pull on this right in the middle. You see how that deviates? Okay, a round rod is not that strong. So what we did, we engineered these carrier bearings. Now you try to do it, it's stiff. So the 4-footer has two of these, and what you want to do is kind of, wherever you're putting it, space them evenly through there. Okay, so same design, same parts, just a longer bar. And we got the two 24-inch, 36-inch, 48-inch, and the big dog, the 72-inch. Okay, it's 72 inches total length. Okay, because you get anything over 6 foot, 72 inches, you can't find a box for it. The shipping's crazy stupid. So, and this one has two carrier bearings on it also to keep that bar straight, keep it not from deviating. So there you go. There's a rundown on the Beast Bar. Just a continuation of the work we started way back when with the push-pull beam kit. We took the ideas we had in that and just kept applying, redefining. So anyways, there you go. The Beast Bar, the most heavy-duty versatile bar on the planet.